you should be looking for the tasks list on Canvas, posted as both an announcement and a assignment as usual. And there's just a 2.5-minute video that I'd like you to watch for the Do Now. It's on how to check your grade and missing assignments. I'm getting a lot of requests about this as the spring term wraps up. So just watch that video and we'll come back together. I'm just going to time us for 3 minutes. Any questions on where you need to go to check grades or missing assignments? Great. I know some of you probably already knew about that, but I just wanted to reinforce it. So, all right. Next thing to check in about is Rube Goldberg. You hopefully have all submitted a photo to that early stage assignment. Again, it's okay if you only have like 2 things made, or if your whole machine's finished, that's all right. It's also okay if you don't have tools, if you're not able to drill things down or make a permanent base. The main thing for me is that you're achieving at least 4 of the 8 steps in the description, and that it takes at least 15 seconds or more to complete, and it's unaided. Again, we're not going to submit your final videos until we wrap up on June 1st and June 2nd, so you still have plenty of time. But I think the more you do now, the easier time you'll have in those later weeks to get it all done. So please let me know if you need help with anything. But hopefully you're making progress on that. Today's our last day of online lessons, which means the next time we meet on Thursday, you will be taking a test. I have posted a study guide and review slides to the test. It's on the tasks list right underneath task number 3, which is the project online lesson. The test is going to be on Canvas, just like our quiz was previously. No time limit. It's open notes. You can look at anything you want to answer the questions. It's going to be composed of a few questions on chapter 5 content, which is all about orbit, elliptical orbit, that kind of thing. But then the rest of the test will be the questions that you submitted for your lessons. All of you submitted 1 multiple choice and 1 free response from each group. So there'll be 8 multiple choice, 8 free response based on the solar system stuff, and a few more questions that I'll toss in related to orbit and gravity. So that's what you'll have most of the class period next time we meet to work on that. And again, there's no time limit. You can keep working on it afterwards if you need to. Any questions on that? All right, then let's wrap up our lessons. We're going to hear from Shay and Margot today about eclipses, and then Zach and Kwan about failed planet formation, comets, asteroids, that kind of thing. So if you open up the Canvas discussion lesson share, which we've been using this whole time, you might need to search for names, but it looks like for Shay and Margot, it looks like Shay, you posted a link. Any special instructions, Shay?
No, it's just a site link, and then the quiz is like on the main page if you just scroll down.
Got it. Okay, so you and Margot are on standby if we have any technical issues or questions. While you're waiting, Shay and Margot, you should fill out those 2 Google Forms. The link is on the bottom of that paragraph of text relating to your lesson. Everyone else, make sure you're providing feedback like we usually do. I'll time for 20 minutes and we'll come back together. Go for it.